After a few days of running through a couple of errors and complications and my terrible understanding of math, we've got the morning routine and lights are on, including a little nano light. There's another one over here. I don't know which one this one is, but should turn on. Here it is right here. Come on. I was looking for tape for this stuff, but whatever. Sticking up in here now. Still got morning routine. I got it running at a sped up time. If I bring this down like this, open this up, come up here to our time, and where is it? Right there. So 24, we got 24 hours in 1 hour, meaning each minute is 24 minutes. It should run an hour. But I don't know if that's gonna work just yet. Wake up, leave for school, leave for work, turn home. And I'm working on 3 versions of this code. I'm working on a farm code for a dairy farmer, a store with 2 apartments upstairs, and one of these should be, oh, we don't have TV in this one. Oh, that'd be nice. I forgot. I got it in my other, I got a couple different kinds of code being set up. Hopefully. How long is the more wake up? 6. I don't know. But I'm gonna let it run and see how it works. But as you can see, we've got 3 lights on, which probably represent, we could probably look down here. So wake up hour, we got kitchen light, got master bedroom light, and we got bedroom 2. That's coming out as this morning routine. The next one will be living room light. Only because I'm doing a test, I commented out a lot of this stuff. And then once everybody's home again, return home, we got the kitchen light, master bedroom light. It's gonna be fixed up. It's actually way more complicated than it needs to be because I'm testing, just testing it at the moment, but things are starting to look good. Pretty happy with that. I was hoping we would have. So each minute is 24 minutes, so that means 2 minutes, 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes between wake up and go to school or go to work. And once that changes, our lights should change too. Come on, hurry up and change. I don't care, forget it, I don't care. I'm just gonna let it run. We're obviously gonna have to put some bigger resistors in there to reduce the light and reduce the amount of power that's being drawn through the circuit. But still more. God damn. Testing sucks. Anyways, we'll get back to it. I'll let you guys see what's going on here.